Welcome to the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Cana. This resort is located on the eastern shores of the Dominican Republic, just outside of the Punta Cana main area. I was so excited to bring my own family here in the summer of 2021, and I wanted to share a little bit about the resort and our junior suite room category. So upon arrival, you are greeted by the most amazing staff who will escort you, take your luggage, and make sure your check-in process goes smooth. The lobby itself is an open air lobby that does have a check-in area, a coffee bar, along with a bar. And if you walk straight through the lobby, you will be blown away by the view. It really does take your breath away, and pictures don't give it enough justice. The view is spectacular. If you book a club level room, you are actually taken by a staff member to the club level lounge, in which they will proceed with all the paperwork, give you a welcome drink, and answer any questions you may have. I do have to say that the club level option is a definite must do for most families. Just having the separate area that does have a premium bar and concierge staff to answer any and all questions was a super helpful piece of our trip. The staff will have you sit down in the air-conditioned lounge and go over all of the check-in procedures and fill out some paperwork. We went during the COVID time, so there was some extra paperwork to fill out, and it was helpful to have the lounge. We stayed in a club level junior suite Oceanview room. We traveled with extended families, so we actually had 4 rooms, and the concierge was able to get all 4 rooms adjacent, and 2 of our 4 rooms were actually connecting. This is the king bed junior suite, and it also has a sofa bed. There's a fully stocked minibar, coffee maker, and refreshments that are restocked daily for anything that you need, including bottled water, Presidente, juices, and sodas. The sofa bed does fill out to a bed. The balcony is probably one of the largest balconies that I've ever seen at a resort so far in my travels. There's a sofa and a table with 2 chairs, and the view. Again, you can't beat the views at this resort. They are amazing. We were in building 1, which has direct facing views of the ocean, the resort pool area, and other resort amenities. Heading back into the room, you can see how large the room really is. There is a table with a chair if you need to do some work, 2 side end tables, our king bed, and a sofa bed, plus extra room. There is a lot of storage space on the left, closets and drawers. And this is the spectacular bathroom. There's a rainfall shower head and the tiled shower, a double vanity, and there is a separate toilet room, which I think is a great perk, especially if you're traveling with multiple people. That concludes our tour of the Junior Suite Oceanview room at the Hyatt Ziva. Stay tuned for more updates by subscribing today.